Right, next I will go through exercise 1B, question 2 part 2, and question 6. Alright, let's begin. Now the first one is z square equals to the 6. This is correct. Z equals to 6, this is wrong. Now let me explain the rationale. When we say z square equals to 36, we actually meant something times something equals to 36. So we know this is 6. And so one of the value can be 6. But is there another value? Now take a look. If I have the same number that multiplied to be 36, actually negative 6 and negative 6 also will give 36. Therefore, the answer should be z equals to 6 plus minus square root 36, and z can be either equals to 6 or negative 6. So many of you, this answer is missing. Okay, now let me bring this example to the next type of question. What about z cubed equals to 216? So we are asking three numbers multiplied together to get 216, and I know it's 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. Therefore, the answer is just cube root of 216, and the answer is 6. Now you notice that there is no negative 6 in this answer, and we want to know why. Let's try negative 6 multiplied 3 times. You realize that this is actually equals to negative 216, and it is different from my original question, and therefore we say that no, no, no. For cube root, there is only a plus 6 and there's no negative 6. So in summary, what we can see is whenever there is a square or even power, there is always two answers. Okay? Whenever there's a cube, there's always only one answer. And the interesting thing is, let me highlight here. You notice that for cube, you can even have a negative answer. Meaning, if z squared is equals to negative 36, we see that there is no solution. Right? Go and think about it. But if I say z cubed is equals to 216 negative, z, I can actually cube root a negative number, and I can get a negative 6. Alright, go and think about this too, and highlight to me if you don't understand. Now, for question 6, the correct way to do is you need to work with items that is uh, further away from the unknown p, then back to the closer number that means from outside to inside. So let me explain the sequence. The first thing you need to handle is the 5 because it's outside the bracket. The second thing you want to handle is actually the square because it's the bracket. The third thing you want to handle is actually the negative 1 that is inside the bracket. So move from outside in. Now let's start. So in order to do this, first I want to remove the 5 from the p. And the way to do it is to divide both sides by 5. Now when I divide both sides by 5, you will get something like that. Many of you get this. But what is wrong is you will say, oh, I want to remove the square by taking square root. So the answer is like this. Now, this is a wrong. This is a wrong because just now we learned in the question 2 part 2 that when you square root a number, you will need to have a plus minus as well. So which means the correct way of writing is p minus 1 equals to 4 or p minus 1 equals to negative 4. Now you have to see me if you don't understand this. So from p over here, I know both sides plus 1, so it's equals to 5. I know both sides plus 1, and this is equals to negative 2.